Hello students. In the last session we have discussed about the logic gates and the Boolean algebras. We have discussed about the some theorems in yesterday's class. I just recall all those things and then I will explain this sessions. In this session I am going to explain about the De Morgan's theorems and recall about the Boolean algebra. In the yesterday's session, we have discussed a plus 0 equals to a. Means, I'm going to explain about this one. A plus 0 equals to a. If the 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 1 plus 0 equals to 1. This is a A. The same answer get to know in the output. It is the proof of this experiment theorem 1, and then a plus 1 equals to 1. A plus 1 equals to 1 means whatever you have to take that one. A equals to 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. A equals to 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 1. In the binary operations we have discussed about this thing. The theorem 2 has satisfied, right? Next is a into 0 equals to 0. A is 0 into 0 equals to 0. 1 into 0 equals to 0. This proof has been satisfied. Next is a into 1 equals to a. A is 0 and 1. This answer is a 0. A equals to 1. 1 into 1 equals to 1. This is a satisfied the fourth theorem. Next, a plus a equals to a will come. Right? Zero plus 0 equals to 0. A equals to 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 1 will come. The A will comes like that. The theorem 5 is satisfied. Then it is a theorem 6. Theorem 6. A plus A bar equals to 1. Always it is. A equals to 0. 0. A bar equals to 1. Equals to 1. A equals to 1. 1. A bar equals to 0. It's a 1. This is also a satisfied. Right. Theorem 6 is satisfied. Next, A into A equals to A will come. Like A equals to 0 into 0 equals to 0. Yes. 1 into 1 equals to 1. A equals to 1. This is a theorem. Right. This is a theorem 7 is satisfied. Next is A into A bar is 0. A is 0. A bar equals to 1. It is a 0. A equals to 1. 1 into 0 equals to 0. This is a satisfied. The theorem 7 and 8 has satisfied. These all theorems are satisfied, but you have to remember all these things. Why? Because of in the minimizations of the equations, these all things are need for that one. A double bar equals to 0. In the previous session, I have do that one with the expressions I have explained. Right? A double bar equals to A. A equals to 0. A bar equals to 1. A double bar equals to 0. Obviously, A double bar equals to A is a theorem. Next, this proof has been satisfied. Next, A plus AB equals to A. A plus AB equals to A. A plus AB equals to A is a common 1 plus B. 1 plus B if you want to take that one. If the B is 0 plus 1 is a 1. B is 1, 1 plus 1 is a 1. Always it comes to high. Means A into 1 equals to A. This is the theorem has been satisfied. Next, A plus A bar B equals to A plus B. A plus A bar B equals to A plus B. Can we do it in the A into A bar equals to what it comes? A into A bar equals to what it is there? It is a 0. Correct. A into A bar is a 0. A plus A bar equals to 1. Can we take the same thing, equation 5, here? I'm going to take that one. A plus A bar equals to 1. Correct. I'm going to take that one. A into A plus A bar is a 1 plus A bar B. A into A plus A into A bar into B. Take the A bar common. A plus B into A into A. One more time I am going to do. Yes, the third theorem. Yes, A plus A bar B equals to, I am going to do that one. This one, A plus AB plus A bar B. Why it is in this equals to A. I am substituting this one in this equation is A. Correct. Now I am going to take that one. A plus B is a common. A plus A bar. A plus A bar equals to A plus A bar is 1. A plus A bar is 1. Yes, A equals to 1. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Right. That is a 1. This A plus A bar is 1. A plus B. This equation has been satisfied. Correct. Next, I am going to take that one. A plus B into A plus C equals to A plus BC. Yes, can we take that one and we have to solve this one, right? Yes, first we have to write it from there. A into A is A, correct? We have to take first write that one. A into A plus A into C, B into A, B into C. A into A is what it is? A. A into C, B into A. Which one is common? A is a common. Yes, A is a common. A is a common. Right. A into C, B into A. A is a common. B plus C into BC. Right. Now I want to take it A into 1 plus BC is a common. B plus C. Right. Now I want to take it as a 1. A plus BC. It is a correct. This is a satisfied. These equations. Right. A plus BC. Right. Then commutative law. A plus B equals to B plus A. How can you prove that one? A plus B equals to B plus A. It is A plus B equals to, for example, I am going to do the truth table apply here. Here I am going to apply the truth table. Right. Next, AB 0011 0101. A plus B equals to 0111. B plus A equals to what it comes? 0111. Same. AB equals to BA. Same in the multiplication. In the multiplications. Means I'm going to take the multiplication instead of that one. Dot. 0 into 0, 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0. It is a AB equals to BA. This is a satisfied. Associative law. A plus BC, B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. Same. Distributive law. A into B of C equals to AB plus AC. Cross multiplications. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law is a very most important and the theorems of the Boolean algebra were contributed by the great mathematician is a De Morgan. De Morgan's theorems are extremely useful in the simplifying the expressions. The following the two theorems are known as a De Morgan's theorem. There are the two theorems are the most important Boolean algebra were contributed by the De Morgan. Extremely useful in simplifying the expression which is the product of sum of variable is inverted. It is the first theorem of the De Morgan's theorem is when the or sum of the two variables are inverted, this is the same inverting each variable individually and then adding this inverted variable, it is a theorem 1. Theorem 1 is what is that one? It is the variable of uh, or sum of the two variables inverted. This is the same as inverting each variable individually and then adding these inverted variables. The truth table of the De Morgan's theorem by the first theorem, can we see it like that? X plus y whole bar, can we write it like that? It is a NAND gate, can be used at x plus y whole bar. It is the OR gate, can be used, or a NOT gate can be used. X, Y can be used it like that. X plus, sorry, OR gate I have used that one. NOR gate, X, Y, X plus Y whole bar. Yes. Next is a NOT gate, X, Y, X bar, Y bar into the AND gate without this bubble. X bar plus X bar into Y bar. AND gate can be used at one. This is the way of block diagram or a symbolical representations, implementations of the De Morgan's theorem. Yes, this is the denoted the x plus y whole bar equals to x bar into y bar. The input and the output can be used at one. X, Y, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. X plus y is 0, 1, 1, 1. X plus whole bar equals to 1, 0, 0, 0. This is the LHS. RHS will be the X, Y, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. X bar, Y bar, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. X bar into Y bar equals to 1, 0, 0, 0. This is the satisfied by the equations x plus y whole bar equals to x bar into y bar. Equivalent circuit implemented by theorem 16. Alternative symbol of the NOR functions truth table that illustrate the De Morgan's theorem. And the De Morgan's theorem, second theorem is, it is the product of the inverted of the input is equal to the sum of the separated inverting inputs. The second theorem of the De Morgan's theorem is a product of the two inputs is inverted is equal to the inverted input separated sum of the inverted inputs. It is called it as a De Morgan's second theorem, or in other way can be used it. Two input NOR gates have already discussed in the section of the De Morgan's first theorem. The OR sum of the two variables is inverted. The Boolean equations For the NOR gate is given x plus y bar equals to the for example it is a using the De Morgan's first theorem. The second theorem is a product of that one. The AND gate of the inverted, when the AND product of the two variables is inverted, this is the same as the inverting each variable individually and then ORing them. It is called it as a De Morgan's second law. Yes, this is the indication of the second law. It is the second law. Can we write it like that? X into y is a whole bar is writing the NAND gate. It is the x bar plus y bar. This is the symbolic representation of the De Morgan's second law. They have given it here. Xy whole bar equals to x bar plus y bar, using the truth table for that one. X, Y, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, x into y, 0, 0, 0, 1, x into y whole bar, 1, 1, 1, 0, x bar, y bar is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, x bar plus y bar equals to 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the truth table of the De Morgan's second law, right? This is a truth table of the De Morgan's second law. Equivalent circuit is implemented the theorem. Alternative symbol for the NAND functions. The truth table that illustrated the De Morgan's second theorem. The De Morgan's theorem conversions. Step 1. Change all ORs to ANDs and all ANDs to ORs. Implemented each individual variable. Complement the entire function. Eliminated a group of the double over bars. A bar into B bar equals to, what is that? A plus B whole bar. A bar plus B bar equals to A into B whole bar. A double bar plus B double bar equals to A plus B. Third one. Fourth one, A plus B whole bar equals to A bar into B bar. A plus B whole bar equals to A bar into B bar. Yes. Next, A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. A bar plus B bar plus C bar equals to A into B into C into whole bar. A double bar plus B double bar plus C double bar equals to whole bar. A bar bar into B bar bar into C bar bar equals to A B C. Yes, this is the way to simplify the equations. Next, De Morgan's theorem conversions. This will comes like that. You have to do that one. How to interconversions of the uh, equations. The simplifications of the conversions a b c plus a bar b bar c bar equals to a plus b c, you have to write it, into a bar plus b bar plus c bar. It is the De Morgan's law. Yes, correct. Next is what we have to, they are doing like that. A bar plus b bar plus c bar. A plus b into the theorem. A bar plus b bar plus c bar equals to a double bar plus b double bar equals to c double bar. A bar double bar equals to a. Yes, they have taken the bar it here. We can take it like that. Then I am going to take the whole double bar into the multiplications. A bar b bar plus c bar equals to a bar plus b bar plus c bar equals to the whole bar they have taken. Again minimize it one, you can get the, this is the equations. At the same way I am going to take the second one, a plus b plus c plus d bar. I am going to take a plus b plus c whole bar into d bar, can we take it multiply, otherwise whole bar they have taken. Again a bar b bar c bar they have taken, d bar they have taken, the plus the whole bar, can we remove it, a bar into b bar into c bar, can we take it into d whole bar, can we take it in the simplify the equations like that. Analyze the circuit in the below. Yes, what is the y? This is the same type of questions will come for your multiple choice questions, right? Can we take that one? Simplify this block diagram, analyze the circuit and below. They have given, take that one. Here is A into B. This is a B bar. A into B plus B bar. A into B plus B bar. B bar comes to this point, B plus B into C. B into C. Add these two in this equation. It is A into B plus B bar into B into C. We got the expressions of the equals to y. This is not the final answer. It is the just why we just got to know that the got the answer y. We have to simplify by these equations. A into B into B into C. Can we do it? B into C. Yes. A into B into BC C plus B bar into B into C. B bar into B into C. I am going to take that one. Here we have to see that one. B A into A equals to what it is? 8 is there. B into B is a B. Correct. I'm going to write that one. A into B into C. B bar into B is a 0. The whole term is 0. B bar into B is a 0. C is also 0. The answer is A into B into C. That is the answer of this one. Y equals to what? A into B into C. Correct. This is the way to simplify the equations by using these are the theorems. Right? What is the y? Y is equals to A into B into C. Yes. At the same way we have to do that one. The expressions. B into B bar equals to 0. B into B bar equals to 0. The whole terms comes 0. Yes. This is the way to simplify the equations. One more it is there. Simplify the Boolean expressions. A B bar into C plus BD plus A bar B bar into C. Exercise for that one, you have to do it in your home. You have to get the answer. You have to send me whether it is right or wrong. I will text you. This is for your homework. Complement of Boolean function. The complement of Boolean functions. The complement of a Boolean function is obtained by the interchanging the operators or and the and complementing the each literal. This is the based on the De Morgan's theorem general forms. A1, A2, A3 in the AN, A bar, A1, A2 with the AN bar. This is the complement of the Boolean functions. We have to do that, simplify these equations. What it comes like that: x bar y into z bar, x bar into y bar into z. X bar is a common it here. Can we take it as a f1? X bar is a common. Can we take it a y into z bar into y bar into z? Y bar into z. The complementing of the each literal giving that one, f1 bar equals to x plus y bar plus z equals to into x plus y plus z bar. Can we take it here as this one is equations? Yes, in these equations f1 is the first interchanging the or and the and operators giving. It is the complementing of the f1 bar is written in as 1 by using the De Morgan's theorem. A plus b whole bar equals to a bar into b bar. How they have taken that one? A into b whole bar equals to a bar plus b bar. Can we take it the same, apply it here, and we have to explain it, right? This is the way to solve this one as a complement of the Boolean functions. right? In the further class we have to discuss about the gate, how to draw that one, how to simplify the equations in the further classes. Okay, thank you. Please watch our videos regularly. Okay.